I started competitively swimming when I was 6 years old. I swam and played water polo in college. I loved the camaraderie with my teammates. I loved that we were all in it to make each other better. My senior year of college, I was waiting to make a left turn into my driveway when a teenager slammed into the back of my car. When I got back to school, I wasn't able to swim, and it was extremely frustrating and disappointing. It was a very challenging time. This experience helped me understand what my clients go through. When they're involved in a collision or a work injury, their life can be changed immediately. We don't plan for these things to happen, and when it happens to my clients, they can't go back to the things that make them who they are. And I understand that, and it helps me represent them through that process and tell their story.
I was on duty. I entered an intersection and a vehicle failed to yield a right-of-way and struck me on the driver's side door. And for a split second, your life flashes before your eyes. I had met Matthew Trollinger years ago on a previous case, and I felt that doing that case, he did a fantastic job. So there was no doubt in my mind who I wanted to represent me in this case. I was fully taken care of by him and his firm. The outcome of the case was very good. And there's no questions about it. He's going to take care of you. Over the years, we've grown into not only a client-lawyer relationship, but a personal one, because he's very much like myself into the community and giving back.
My wife, myself, and 4 children came to a stop on the interstate. My wife looked up and saw a semi at full speed coming right toward our vehicle. Our vehicle rolled 3 or 4 times. Immediately, my concern was for our 3-year-old daughter, and they told me that I helped get Kai out of her car seat, and then I looked down and realized that my leg was going the wrong direction. I realized I needed somebody that could navigate this because it was way out of my field. We felt the best choice for us was to use Matt, and we are so glad that we did. You need somebody that has a calm spirit about them that can bring order to disorder, somebody who's been there before, who knows what lies just ahead. You want that kind of guiding hand. I can look back and say that man is a man of integrity. If you want somebody who cares about the individual and can understand what you're going through, I would wholeheartedly recommend Matt because of the way he treated us.
When a client comes to Trollinger Law, unlike some of the bigger firms, we are as invested in their success on their case as they are. Helping our clients is the most rewarding thing that there is. We can handle the big stuff. They can handle getting better. You need to understand that you're not alone in this fight. You can call us and we will be there for you. We focus all of our efforts and our resources, our knowledge, towards personal injury and workers' compensation, because we try to do one thing and do it well. When our clients come into our office, we treat them with respect, and we listen to what's going on in their lives so that we can make sure that their rights are protected and that we can put our full force and strength behind their case.